mai te taikaura. Kia koutou, I te kahu.
Righto, ready?
Right. Right.
Marty, how are you feeling about this performance, Waaiti? Look at me, by the way.
Oh, kia ora. Absolutely pumped. I'm quite grateful, grateful, and just to have everyone come to the Gold Coast. Well, whakataitai te kapa o te whenua moimoia. We actually haven't done hakas together.
First for us,
First time together.
To have this opportunity is quite special for us. So yeah, excited.
Waaiti, someone a little bit told me that you're nervous.
Not at all. I don't want to give away too much there. No, I am. It has been 20 years, I'll be honest. My last stand was 06 with Whangara, my Tawhiti in Palmerston North. So, yeah, look, to do it at my brother's side, yeah, no news there. Just get on there on the day, smash it out, and feed off each other. Yeah.
Tell what's your advice for your brother? People wait for the haka stage.
Just into it and do what you do best.
Into it. Kia ora, mama.
Yeah, enjoy the moments. Yeah, gonna be awesome.
Might not happen again, but hey,
Yeah.
who knows? We might be coming home.
Yeah.
I will leave that for our pōpō.